Hi everyone, welcome back and thank you so much for coming back. In today's video, we are going to make this simple but luxurious hair butter, parsley hair butter. Why parsley? Parsley, like other herbs, contain vitamins A, C, K, calcium, iron, potassium, magnesium, and other amazing nutrients that are wonderful for our hair. Okay, but what makes parsley to stand out is the fact that it contains epigenin and copper. And the type of parsley that I have here is the curly leaf parsley. Epigenin helps in combating oxidative stress, which can cause a significant disruption in the normal functioning of our hair follicles. In fact, oxidative stress can actually damage our hair follicles and prevent hair growth. Copper also helps in retaining our hair's natural color. So parsley, this is what makes parsley to stand out among other herbs. Okay, so I have washed and chopped my parsley, and then I've put the leaves into a blender. I added olive oil to it and I have blended. So we are going to pour this content into a pan and we'll cook it till the water dries off completely and we are left with just the oil. From there we'll proceed to make the butter. When the water has dried up completely, go ahead and turn off the heat, then leave the oil to cool down a little bit before you go ahead and strain it. So yes, parsley can be applied topically, and you can also get similar benefits internally by adding parsley in larger amounts to your diet. Okay, so we are making this butter so that we can apply it topically on our hair and on the scalp. Look at that beautiful green. So if you don't like butters on your hair, then this is how you can make parsley oil and use it on your hair. In this bottle, I added a few essential oils and I saved the oil. Here is shea butter and it's our carrier butter for this recipe. I'm going to melt it. And after melting it, I'm adding a little amount of this sulfate, and it's effective in treating dandruff. Okay, so I'm adding a little amount of the sulfate, and I'm also adding a little amount of this blue magic Indian hemp. This feels so good on my hair and it's effective in promoting growth and retaining length. So I'm adding a little amount of it into the butter. Then I'm going to mix well and melt it. Since the carrier butter, the shea butter is still a little bit warm, so it's easier to melt the ingredients we just added now. I still added more of the Indian hemp, and after dissolving everything, I went in to add the parsley oil, the green oil which we prepared earlier. Next, I added a few essential oils. So I added a few drops of peppermint essential oil. I added lavender essential oil and tea tree essential oil, a few drops of each. After mixing well, I am pouring the butter into these storage containers, and the next thing is going to be to refrigerate it. If you're in Cameroon and you need this product, please send me a message on Facebook at My Virgin Crown or Berenice Shelamo, on Instagram at Shelamo_B. Let me make the products for you, okay? I had no intentions of whipping the butter, so this is what I have, but you can go ahead and whip it if you prefer, all right? Butters on their own do not moisturize the hair, so I'm going in with this olive lotion first, then I'll go in with the butter to seal that moisture. You can use just water, then use the butter to seal the moisture in. And after that, I'm going to use the butter to massage my scalp as well. Always remember to pay particular attention to the ends of your hair, because you know they are the oldest part of our hair and they always require exceptional care. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in another video. Bye.